Find out average of cos theta function between angle 0 to 2 pi. So average of cos theta is equal to integration cos theta d theta 0 to 2 pi divided by integration d theta 0 to 2 pi. Now integration of cos theta, that is sin theta, limit is 0 to 2 pi. Integration of d theta is theta, limit 0 to 2 pi. Now upper limit minus lower limit, so sin 2 pi minus sin 0 upon upper minus lower 2 pi minus 0. Sin 2 pi is 0, sin 0 is 0 upon 2 pi, so 0 upon 2 pi is 0. So average of cos theta between angle 0 and 2 pi is 0. Thank you.